Hello, I'm Ashish from Pragmatic TechSoft. Pragmatic is an IT services and products provider. We specialize in ERP solutions and blockchain applications. So we have created a product for supply chain management using blockchain. So what issues generally we have in supply chain are the products are not entirely traceable throughout its supply chain. There is a data inconsistency between one organization and another organization within that supply chain that leads to incorrect reports. So how blockchain solves this is blockchain is just a decentralized way of storing any data. So we one organization and need not trust another organization for any kind of data. So using blockchain, we can improve the tracking of the products throughout that entire chain. We can verify and authenticate the details of any product, and we can share the details throughout all the entire supply chain actors. So let's take two use cases to understand how our products helps the entire supply chain. Let's consider a seafood supply chain wherein when did the fisherman catch that fish, where was that fish stored, and for how long that fish was stored, and how was it transported to the restaurant. All these details will be accessible to the end consumer. That improves the trust in that restaurant, and that way it helps the entire supply chain as well as the end consumer. Let's take another use case where for electronic products, the typical issues that we have are the counterfeit products and brand protection, wherein we can using this application we can track what were the raw materials used for that electronic product, who manufactured it, and the authenticity of that product, whether that was manufactured by or that product belongs to a particular company or not. That all can be easily accessible to the end consumer. That helps build trust in that for that organization, and that reduces counterfeit products. So we'll see a demo of this application through my screen. So we will log in as a manufacturer first. Only the manufacturer has access to create the products and add inventory to those products. So here, as you can see, we'll create one product. Let's call it iPhone 11. Okay, once the product is created, we can create inventory for it. So we have to tell like the product name could be anything. The product type has to be one of the products that we have created, and this we are just adding some price and what will be the inventory added to that product. So once we create that, the total quantity available with the manufacturer will increase for this product by 5. So that means he has manufactured 5 new products. In the list of all products, these are all individual products. Uh, they are tracked separately. Here, those all products will be available with all their details like manufacturing date, what is their status, what was their price, and all the stuff is available here. And once the manufacturer creates those products, he can then transfer those products to the wholesaler. If you are manufacturer, you can only transfer to the wholesaler, you cannot directly sell. So the available user IDs will be only for wholesalers, and you can select as many products you are transferring to the wholesaler, and once you click on transact, all those products will be transferred to wholesalers. So they will be visible in the wholesalers database as an inventory available with the wholesaler, and they will be deducted from the manufacturer's database as he currently does not hold those products. Here in another browser, we'll just log in as wholesaler, and we'll be able to see all those transferred products that were transferred by manufacturer to this wholesaler. So if we check the products list, we will be able to see the list of products that were transferred to this wholesaler by the manufacturer, and we can then similarly transfer those to distributors or retailers. So similarly, you can only transfer those products that are available with you in your inventory. You cannot transfer products from manufacturer directly, or a wholesaler can only transfer products that are available with him, and he can also like select as many products and just transfer those products, and that inventory will be added to the user 6 or the distributor and will be removed from this wholesaler.
This is the order backend interface. Here we can see the supply chain menu. So first of all, we need to fetch all the details from the blockchain server. So for that, we need to configure the blockchain server here. So in this menu, we need to provide the server URL, user ID, password, and role. Using these details, we can fetch the all the uses, products, product quantities from the supply chain server. uh, it will automatically fetch the all the things in the daily basis. Otherwise we can do this manually from here. So after fetching the details here, we can see the supply chain uses that are created in the Odoo, and also we can see the supply chain products here. I'm opening one of the product, and here we can see the updated quantity of this product. Here we have five quantities, and when I open this product, here we can see the QR code of this product. While scanning this QR code, you can see the all the details of this product. Then I will show the front end also here. In shop, we can see the product here, and this is the table and that are available quantity.